So here we are, we're on our way to Uncle Henry's open farm day.
I have some shoelaces, but the sweet's not real ones.
Which is more important than what we're actually doing today. So yeah, come along. We'll try and make a vlog. Excuse the voice, but it's getting better. So yeah, keep watching and we'll see how the day unfolds. See you later.
Bye. Say bye, girls.
Bye.
So we're just walking in all the long grass, which everyone's loving. Girls are loving the long grass. Right, let's go rob Daddy's wallet. Off we go. Here we are, we met Auntie Sue in what the dickens is that thing?
It's Woggle. It's me Woggle. I'm Raksha.
A what?
Well, I'm Happy or Raksha.
She's Raksha. Raksha. Come on, let's go wander around. You'll see the vlog, I'll be posting it tonight.
Mummy, have you got your lipstick?
What do you think, Maddie?
Can we just try it too?
How do you feel about that? Say hello.
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 Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
See you later. like an ice cream? Should we get an ice cream? Yeah, let's go get a blight and ice cream.
Oh yeah, Radio 1 to get your face painted.
Got your face painting, girls?
Yeah. Mummy, how much?
What are you here for, Auntie Sue?
You've got £3. No, you know, you've got £3.50.
Starstruck, can't handle the camera being pointed at her face. It takes ages to get like this with a camera. So what are you here for, the Scouts? I'm not pointing. Cups.
Raising funds for cups. No, don't climb over there, go round.
Raising funds for first funds.
I could eat another ice cream.
Fantastic. You're not having another ice cream. Just cost us 10 quid.
8 quid. No, he's got £2 left.
Yeah.
So I could have 2.
Yeah. Oh, look at the rain cloud.
Although you'll go now and then I'll see you over there.
What's in there?
Wait till we get round.
Am I allowed to stroke it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think there's anything. Do you know what's in here?
Look at the snake.
Oh.
I don't know if it's the same with them as it is for like dogs.
We don't do snakes. Ugh. Let's go look at the birds of prey. Look a lot more fun. You're looking at the birds, Em?
I do not like birds of prey, they're boring.
They're boring.
I find them boring.
Ooh.
I was just looking to see if the birds of prey are showing anything. There's just so much to do.
Look at that owl, Madeline.
Bloody love the owl. Yeah, look at him at the back. The great barn owl. Great grey owl.
Mummy?
Yeah.
Look at Fuzzy over there.
Yeah, look at that big one.
Wait, I know that one. That's in my book. I can read about him. I'm not sure about who or that.
Amazing, aren't they, Maddie? What do you think? You like owls, don't you?
I really like Sky.
Sky. It's a barn owl.
What for the final show? Obviously, and we got the challengers on. It's that last one, which is difficult. Have you got it? Yeah. Have you got it? Well done over here. Well done. Don't you worry, Johnny's going to be having a go whenever.
2 hands over here, darling. Right over the box.
I'm not going to hold the hedgehog.
Right over the box, Emily. That's a good girl.
Then in case you drop it.
What do you think, Emily? Save you chasing them in the garden now.
I don't know.
You're pretty.
I'm thinking the big
There you go.
or the turtle.
Tortoise, tortoise.
The hedgehog.
Look, it's strawberries or tomatoes. You're spoiled for choice, aren't you?
You like tomatoes,
I'm gonna
don't
have a
you?
strawberry.
Oh no.
Look, there's a tomato or a strawberry.
Oh no.
I'll have one of each then. I'm going to have a strawberry. Henry, you know when you say
Can I have one of that? I'm going to try.
oh, strawberries are nice and sweet.
Are you having Chris, Emily? Not a strawberry?
Are they good tomatoes?
You
As
like,
good as the ones we grow.
you like eat tomatoes, don't you? Is it past, Maddie?
Can't just sit here all day and eat all the tomatoes though.
Very nice.
Yep, yep, yep.
Come on then.
Sorry.
Yeah? Can Emily have a go at frying the egg?
Yeah.
Half a dozen. It's half a dozen. 7, more than half a dozen. So,
Ugh.
5 to go. 4 more to go.
Talk to him. Sorry. Hold on, Em. Good girl. Grip with them legs. Good girl, Em. You're nearly on, mate. Hold on, Ed. Maddie, hold on.
You're doing well. Don't waste your energy. Stay focused.
Ride it, Em, Maddie, ride it. No, we can't have one. No, we're not getting one.
You two might be the final.
I'll just video.
Are you ready? On your mark. Here we go.
Now you got to work together, girls. That's alien for you.
Working together. This is what I like.
Good girl, keep going.
Very good. That's very good. Very good.
How many's left? How many's in there?
You've got half a dozen now, but you've got 5. So now it's under half a dozen. There we go, you nearly had 6, aren't you? 4 left, 4 left, 4 left.
2 left. Go on.
2. Can you do it? Can you do it? Come on there, girls.
Come on, Maddie, get you back into it.
Well done.
found one.
Another one, Emily. One more. Get in.
One more. One more. The final of the final.
Come on, girls.
Oh, it's always our last one. It's our last one. It's always our last one. I always think I know what there is.
Right, go, stop.
49 seconds.
Oh.
Well done. We've got, and because you're the last one, and they're the finals, everybody gets some golden chocolate coins. Get the final off from the top, and we hope to see you all again.